Your phone is tiny, but it contains some of the rarest materials on Earth. But the materials inside chips, wires, and circuits had to be ripped out of the ground. Platinum, tantalum, tiny amounts, yet massive importance. And without them, no electric cars, no satellites, and no PlayStation. That is probably the most reasonable answer to why we dig deeper. And we leave behind poisoned rivers and dead ecosystems. These machines needed for this stuff make humans look microscopic. From space, you can literally see the scars we carved into our planet. But what if the solution isn't on Earth at all? Because floating through space are trillions of asteroids. Some are even packed with insane amounts of metal. One asteroid could replace entire mines on Earth. Estimates say that asteroids could be more valuable than a whole country. Together, asteroids may exceed everything that humans have ever got. Getting to space is unbelievably expensive, but rockets are improving fast, and future ideas like skyhooks could make things dramatically cheaper. Then ion engines could transport mining equipment across deep space, until they finally reach the target. But asteroids barely have gravity, so spacecraft may need harpoons just to avoid floating away. Some concepts may even need industrial nets just to capture fragments. And then the mining begins. Giant magnets could separate rare metals from desperate rock. Automated refineries could process everything in orbit before launching the metals back to Earth. The cargo would slam through the atmosphere at insane speeds, and recovery ships could collect it from the ocean. If this works, Earth might finally get a break, and cities would be powered by space instead of destroyed forests. But metals aren't the only things lurking inside asteroids. Some contain frozen water which can be used as fuel for rockets, meaning we can refuel rockets directly from space, and asteroids could help us build giant structures in space. Maybe even massive solar power structures in space. One day, asteroids might be the one thing which moon bases will have to run on, and maybe even giant spinning space colonies, connected along the solar system like space routes. But space is brutal, and countries will eventually argue over who owns what. The first asteroid miners may not even be humans, and if humanity pulls this off, the next gold rush may not be on Earth.